everybody, and welcome to the Symmetry tutorial series. This video will help you navigate in a 3D environment. There are several ways to navigate. First, you can navigate in the 3D window by using the mouse, keyboard, ribbon commands, and navigation controls. The second way to navigate is by using the project tree to fly to predefined locations or objects. And finally, you can navigate by using the navigation map to jump to and view locations in the 3D world. This video will not cover each command or method, but will address three commonly used methods to navigate, which are mouse navigation, project tree navigation, and on-screen navigation controls. Later on in the tutorial series, we will touch base on these other commands and methods. Now let us begin by navigating through an existing project as an example. Here, I have loaded a project of the city of Austin. We will first start with navigating using the mouse. This method is the main tool for controlling the free flight in the 3D world. With the mouse, you can control the direction and tilt angle of the camera, slide to the sides, zoom in or out, and fly around points of interest on the terrain. Symmetry's default mouse navigation is the drag mode. To navigate using the drag mode, click and hold the mouse button on a location in the terrain. Drag the mouse to the sides, forward, and back. The terrain locations on which you clicked is dragged along with the cursor. Allow me to demonstrate. To adjust the drag mode parameters, I have already demonstrated how to move east, west, north, and south. To change altitude, hold the Control key on the keyboard and rotate the mouse wheel. To zoom in or out, rotate the mouse wheel in relation to the center point of the 3D window. You can also double-click on the terrain. To adjust the tilt angle while pressing the Control key on the keyboard, drag the mouse along the vertical axis of the 3D window. To rotate the terrain, while pressing the Control key on the keyboard, drag the mouse along the horizontal axis of the 3D window. Next, we will cover how to navigate using the project tree. To navigate using the project tree, make sure the project tree is enabled from the View Settings tab in the Show group. On the project tree, go to the object or location you wish to navigate to. In this example, we'll be taking a look at the safety dome object. Right-click on the item and select from the following options: Jump to Group, Fly to Group. We will first be looking at Fly to. Fly to, which navigates for you to the specific location or object you selected. Next, we're going to look at Jump to. Jump to, which navigates you to a specific location or object you selected without showing the flight. The last common method for navigation that we'll be covering is using the on-screen navigation controls. Symmetry offers on-screen navigation controls in two options: Simplified Navigation, Advanced Navigation. To use the defaulted Simplified Navigation controls, on the View Settings tab in the Show group, enable Navigation Controls. To turn the camera to face north, click the north arrow icon. To zoom in, click the plus icon. To zoom out, click the minus icon. To use the advanced navigation controls, we first need to switch from the simplified controls. To switch, go to File menu and select Preferences. click on the Screen Overlay tab and select Full Navigation Controls with Level Indicator. Then click Apply and click OK. And now we have the Advanced Navigation Controls. Let us go over the general layout of the Advanced Navigation Controls. For visibility purposes, let us zoom out to the globe. Here we have the tilt slider, the north indicator, the compass ring, virtual joystick, and the level indicator. To change camera tilt, move the tilt slider. To change camera direction, turn the compass ring. To face north, click the north indicator. To zoom in or out, click and drag the elevation slider. You can also click on globe, country, state, city, street, or house. We went over 3 commonly used methods for navigation and symmetry. Those were mouse navigation using the drag mode, navigating using the project tree by selecting Fly To or Jump To, and the last method was using on-screen navigation controls. This concludes navigating in the 3D World tutorial. Thanks for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.